What we cover in this series is everything you need to know to create everyday natural looks on beautiful, flawless skin. Although this is a skin-focused series, stopping at color is very important. Skin tones are colors after all. That will include understanding color theory, how to camouflage, how to color correct. You will also learn what the relationships are between colors, what are the different color harmonies, and how to apply these color harmonies to everyday looks. How to swatch for foundations and concealers, and how pigments formulate all skin tones. We will also look at brush anatomy and understand the different variables that impact brush utility, and how to protect your alignment and back when doing makeup. Also in this course, you will learn how to look at skin from a makeup artist's point of view, how to identify skin attributes, and how to tackle skin challenges and prepare the skin for makeup. At the end of this session, we will learn how to create a complete natural makeup from start to finish. I'll take you step by step through skincare, foundation, lips and eyes, and cheeks. I'm going to give you a formula to create beautiful natural makeup every time based on skin tone. I've put together over 18 years of my experience into several hours. From training, from working with MAC Cosmetic, from being on set, from doing body painting, from working on counter, from being backstage, from being in fashion shows on runway, from being in photo shoots, being a key makeup artist, doing weddings, customer makeups, from training over 200 artists in the region. Also being part of the Dubai Film Festival for 6 years in a row, and being part of the Tribeca Film Festival in Doha at the time. I had the privilege to work with regional celebrities like Ilham Shaheen, Ruby and her sister, Queen Noor of Jordan, and many more. Since going solo, I worked with local and regional talent designers, photographers and producers, creative directors, creating some of the best editorials in the region. Go to www.jadoarli.com to start your Makeup Academy skin lesson, where we feature color theory foundations, concealers, skin, and how to create everyday natural looks.